recording.
Oh my god, it's Maddie on the internet. Is this on YouTube?
Yes.
Hello, YouTube. You guys should unsubscribe from this channel because it sucks. It doesn't have enough me on it. It's not sexy at all. What videos do you post on here anyway?
I don't post
You
it.
don't?
Not
This
much.
is for Maddie's channel?
Yes, I'm
Hi,
putting
Maddie.
it on for
Hello,
Facebook.
this is Maddie's channel. And it has videos such as me talking about things like Foxy Moxies.
Yes!
Yay!
Foxes.
But it's a shame that Maddie couldn't be here at Fanime 22. No, we're not at Fanime. This is Acon. I'm sorry. I don't know where I am. I think Bakura slipped something in my drink. But I'm at Acon 2013, and unfortunately Maddie can't be here. Maybe she'll be here next year, and we can hang out. We can go kill some prostitutes together. That's a hobby of mine, apparently. And then we can sing something by what was the song I sang? Wake me up inside, wake me up inside. We'll sing that together as well. I'll maybe find some leather pants, but take care, Maddie, okay?
Thank you so much.